Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. Today's Sunday, so I usually do a summary of my spending, my savings, and if I've been lucky enough to have some eBay sales. So this is my little journal. I write it down every day what I've spent, and this is this week's. On Monday, I didn't spend anything, so that's good. Tuesday, lots going on. I went to B&Q online and I ordered some tile adhesive and some grab for the bathroom. That came to £39. It should have been £42, but I had a £3 voucher if you spent more than £25. So I used that, so I got a little bit off that, and that was delivered the other day. I had to buy some fish tank filters for my fish tank because I've got goldfish. I like having a fish tank because it's soothing, and I use the fish water to water me plants and feed me plants as well. It's a really good nutrient base for your plants and it costs nothing or next to nothing. I did a little bit of shopping. I went to Little Asda and Home Bargains. In Asda I spent £17.57 and Home Bargains £11.61. All the snotty noises of my dog. Sorry about that. On Wednesday, I didn't buy any food, but I went to B&Q physically and I bought a packet of tongue and groove wood to finish off the wall in the bathroom. So the whole wall's been done now. So it's like another job done, tick. Well done me. Thursday I didn't go shopping, but I did order a Sayers Too Good To Go bag. That cost me £3.25. I like it because it's usually enough for 2 or 3 people. I like the food. It saves me doing any cooking because I usually do cooking, and it saves energy because I'm not cooking. So all round win, and of course it reduces food waste. The dog's having a proper snore there. On Friday, I went to a big Asda and Aldi. In Asda, I spent £11. In Aldi, I spent £9, so that came to £20. So that's good. I'm keeping under budget. Saturday, I didn't spend it because I was tiling, kept myself busy. Sunday today, I'm not going shopping, so there's nothing going on there as well. So altogether for food shopping this week, I spent the grand total of £52.43. We've taken some items out the freezer. I need to probably do some more of that because I just need to get it down a little bit because I need to pay off the electricity bill. But yeah, I'm really happy because I'm roughly £18 under budget because I allocate £70 a week for me, the dog, the cat, the goldfish, and of course my grown-up son, the big greedy one. I've been lucky this week. I've sold a couple of things on eBay. I sold a dragon statue, so after post and all the rest of it, I had £14, and another dress that was £11. So that was new, that as well, had never been worn, and so that came to £25. So that really helped towards the tile adhesive and growth. So it was really good to sort of balanced out because I was under budget on the food and I had a couple of eBay sales. So consequently, I haven't got any savings this week. I'm still at £150, but never mind. Hopefully I'll have some more money to put in next week because I'm having another freezer week. So I hope you're doing well. Hope you're managing to get yourself by, and let me know how you're getting on. Bye for now, and I hope to see you soon.